Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Microsoft Edge slow downloading speed in your Windows or computer. So let's get started. First things first, you need to open your Microsoft Edge. Okay, so once you're here at the Microsoft Edge, at the upper search bar, please type Edge. Okay, make sure that it is in lowercase H colon // flags, then click enter to proceed. Okay, so once you're here, you need to search for download, and the moment you type that, you will find this parallel downloading. Now, enabling this parallel downloading will accelerate downloading speed. You can also apply this in Mac, Windows, Linux, Android, and here is also in your computer. Now, how to enable that? Just simply click this down arrow here and go for enabled. And with that, you have just enabled the parallel downloading. Okay? So after that, proceed to this three dots here at the upper right side, which contains the settings and more, and then scroll down, then go for extensions. Okay, I can see here extensions next to apps. Just simply click that and then go for manage extensions. And here you need to identify those extensions, those sources that you are unfamiliar with or you no longer needed in your Microsoft Edge. Okay? So don't put a lot of extensions, a lot of applications or software here in the Microsoft Edge because that will basically slow down, especially the downloading speed of your Microsoft Edge. Now, to simply disable that, just click on removed here. You can see remove that in that. I mean, under the specific name of an application, you can see remove there and just simply click that to disable such application. Okay, so in my case, I don't have any installed extensions here in the Microsoft Edge because I don't want to slow down my downloading speed. Okay, so that's it. Hopefully you learned something from this video. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.